This is going to be a review of the StarPack Home Ultra Flexible Regular Spatula Turner. So I just bought one of these for myself and one for my mom. Let me unbox it. Okay, it's out of the box. Maybe I read the description wrong. I thought this was going to be wider. I thought it was going to be much wider, but I could have ordered wrong. This is the one that I have now, and this is flexible, and this is really good. My mom doesn't have a flexible one, and I wanted to get her one. This is flexible, but it's still kind of rigid, but it does bend in a pan, as you can see, and that's why I wanted to buy this. So I picked up this thing just now on Amazon, and let's see how flexible this is. Much more flexible, and that is why I bought it. So I could have, there's a possibility I ordered the wrong one, because I wanted something wider that would really turn over the eggs good. But let me test this thing out now. I'm going to wash it up, and we're going to cook some eggs together and see how this thing works flipping. I really wanted something that would have been maybe another inch wider, and I believe they sell two different sizes. So let's get this thing going. Okay, I looked it up, and this is almost the exact same size as what I've got. The difference is in quality. This has got metal over here. This is cheap plastic. This has got a real nice handle. This has got a wussy handle. This is a quality product that I'm very happy with. The difference between this and the other model is the other model is about an inch longer, maybe an inch and a half longer, and maybe almost an inch wider. Not quite an inch wider. So that's the model that I wish that I had bought, but you know, I don't know how to read when I order stuff, so that's why this happened. So we're gonna test this out together right now. Maybe I can turn on the right burner, the correct burner. Ow, it's a little hot. And I'm gonna put some spray in here, and we're gonna make some eggs and cheese, and then flip it over. And I'll give you my opinion of what I think of this spatula that I just picked up over here. Either way, I'm happy. I'm happy with what it looks like. And so how many eggs do I have in here? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Wow. It's a lot of eggs to eat all at once. But I really need to get rid of these eggs. I'm almost at the expiration date, so we're going to do some cooking together. We're going to make a 7-egg. I don't know what this is called. 7 eggs. A 7-egg, 3, 4, yeah, 7. Wow. That's a lot of eggs. So this is going to be a real good test of this spatulito. I don't know why I'm doing 7 eggs. Let me just do 4. Okay. 7 would be a great test, but I think I'm just going to do 4. Making 7 eggs that's like a heart attack. All right. So, but if you like my videos, like I say in everything that I do, do a thumbs up, a subscribe, or a like. If you want to link this to any website, that would help. If you have a product you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, I will do the review. Alright, the dog's sitting here watching me. And what else did I want to say? If you want to leave a donation to my channel, which nobody ever seems to want to do, then ask for my PayPal info. So we've got... No! Go out, get away from the heat. Dangerous. The dog sees the cheese, and that's all she wants is cheese. Alright, so we're cooking eggs here, and then we're going to test out the spatula and see how it works. A real test would be to not break the yolks, but I'm pretty sure they would break because I always break them. That's why I just break them beforehand, so I don't have to break them later. Ooh, something smells like it's burning. I don't know why. Something doesn't smell right. Do I have something underneath the burner? Something smells very odd. Let me turn the heat down. Maybe that's my hand burning. Smells like eggs. Smells delicious. So make sure you check out all my other videos. I've got some really cool stuff that I put on that I'm proud of. And let me take a bite. A little cheese. And Alright, so we're cooking away. The eggs look like they're doing good. Cleaning up while I'm cooking. The sign of a good, manly housekeeper is somebody that cleans up while they cook. Where did I put that box? So again, I'm doing a review of the StarPack Home Ultra Flexible Regular Spatula Turner that I just bought 2 of online. Again, because I wanted to get a wider spatula. And I looked, it turns out the thing that I was looking at, the 5-inch, that's a pancake flipper, or a pancake turner, not a regular spatula. But I don't know if, okay, so this, I might buy one of those too, and do a review of that. The 5-inch, the pancake flipper. The reason I bought this is the pancake flipper has some notches in it, and I thought the egg might go flopping through there. But I'm going to try this out for the first time just to see how it works compared to the one that I showed you. Oh, I like this. I definitely like it. This one's rigid at the, it's flexible throughout, but it's still fairly rigid. Whereas this one already bent upward when I put it in there. So I think it's going to flip the eggs perfectly. This might be really neat. Okay, yeah, a little, maybe another inch wider would be perfect for something like this. Let's see how I flip it. I can't kind of mess that up. I gotta get this out of here, or I'm going to have ruined eggs. Oh boy, I'm not that good of a cook. You know, this bachelor life is just not the thing for me. Alright, can I turn it over? Oh, I'm kind of saving it. I'm kind of trying to save it. The spatula is really nice, even though the eggs are looking like they're a disaster. I wanted it to stay in the frame also, so I didn't raise the thing up and flip it properly. And it looks really good though. You can't see it over here, but let me flip the pan around. Not flip it, let me turn it around. Look, can you see the eggs over there? Can you see the eggs with the cheese? God, does this look good. So I can tell you right off, I'm happy with this purchase. It's definitely worth it. It's nice to have a solid handle to do the turning. And the eggs look incredible. I'm going to flip it one more time. Oh yeah, this is good. And not only is this good, but I'm going to be able to give one of these to my mom as a gift. I'm a big spender for gifts, yes. So I'm going to be able to bring this over there tomorrow. And I'm happy. Look, let me show you what the eggs look like. There you go, look at that. It's beautiful. So, 5 stars totally with this thing. It is more flexible than the plastic thing that I had. It's got the handle, which to me is nice. It's nice to have something to actually hold on to when I'm doing the turning. And I like this. I just like the style. You go out, you only live once. Go out and buy something that looks beautiful, that's good quality, and make you happy. So one last flip just to see how this works. 1 more inch on this. I'm definitely going to buy the pancake one to test this out. But 1 more inch on this would be perfect for width for a big king-size egg thing like this. If you're just cooking 2 or 3 eggs, well, I cook 4 eggs and this worked perfectly. 2 or 3 eggs, this would be great. I even think this would be good for pancakes. This would be good for almost anything. And if you want something a little wider, go pick up the pancake flipper. Cherry red. Looks beautiful. What's the name again? Well, it would help if I put the box facing in the right direction. There it is. StarPack Home Ultra Flexible Regular Spatula Turner. It's really cool. It's very nice. I don't know what they say on the back, but let's see. Remember to subscribe. That helps me out a lot. Thank you.